Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on it and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Let me pick maybe Timmy. And let me quickly remove this photo. Basically, this is what you will see after entering the contact, and I forgot to tell you. So simply tap on the contact and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on add picture, and here we will be transferred to either the illustrations, which you can simply download and set as the contact photo, and they are quite cool. You can enter Google Photos, which is of course your gallery, and here in the device photos we've got either the gallery or camera. And after picking the camera option, your device will basically open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. But I will pick something from the gallery. Let me find the photo. And basically here in this section we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice with the framing, etc., simply tap on choose. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear in this circle. So if you're ready, tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contacts will look like with the photo applied. You will be able to see it on the contact list, but be aware that probably you will have to kind of turn it off completely and then enter again, or repeat the same motion for the same operation for some reason, because your device will not catch the changes. Let me quickly do it. Tap on choose, save. Alright, and finally it has been applied. So as I said, on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.